Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making some strawberry tanghulu. Start off with a microwavable bowl, and you are going to get about 3 tablespoons of sugar. It depends on how many strawberries you have. I only have 2 that I would like to use, and they're big, so I'm just going to use 2. Now you're going to get some water, so just use half the amount of water. So I did 2 tablespoons of sugar, so I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon of water, a little bit more. All right. Now you are just going to get a spoon and mix it. I like using a toothpick because it mixes the sugar and water together a little bit better. It is a little bit harder, but it works. So you should have your mixture. I'm adding a little bit more sugar and a little bit more water just because it is not enough. So I'm adding a tablespoon more sugar and half tablespoon more water. All perfect. Stir it up. Okay, should look something like this. I'm going to microwave this with a paper towel over it so it doesn't explode. I'm going to microwave this for about 55 seconds and then we'll check back in on it. Be ready, it's going to be very hot when it comes out. "55 seconds is on the clock. Make sure you have a tall cup or some sort of tall thing and fill it with water and ice, so some ice water, and get 2 strawberries on a skewer. I'm using 1 on each. You can do as many as you would like. Just add more sugar or more water. Be ready to dip it. I'm going to have a paper towel ready to take it out because it's going to be very boiling hot. It's almost time, about 10 more seconds. And we're going to quickly dip our strawberries, dip them in the sugar water, and immediately put them in an ice bath and put them on a paper plate. It should be boiling, and to do a test, get a toothpick, put it in, let it sit for a second, put in your ice water. You should get a nice crunch if it's ready. I'm going to need about 20 more seconds. Mine was sticky and a little bit wasn't the best. So just another 20 seconds. I never like to do 20 seconds, 30 seconds. I have to do 22, 33, 55, or else it's just not right. Perfect. Good. Now I'm going to do the dip test with my toothpick right on it, right in the ice bath. Perfect. We have a crunch. So I'm just gonna put this here, and we're just going to dip our strawberries in to make tanghulu. So you're just going to stir it around, and you're immediately going to dip it in the ice bath. And take it right out of the ice bath, put it in. Do your other strawberry or strawberries. Just kind of flip it around, flip it around. It is a little bit hard to get it perfect. Don't worry about that. Get all the mixture on and ice bath. Just for a second, take it out. Let it sit for a second. And make sure it doesn't harden in your bowl if you have any left. I'm going to go wash this out really quick before it gets too hard. Let it sit under some hot water and it will just go right away. And you should get a nice crunch. You have to make sure your strawberries are dry before you tanghulu them, or else it won't work. Nice and hard. Perfect. See you in the next video.